Hi guys, Lens here. So I have a microwave here with me, and for whatever reason this is not coming on. It says here microwave energy, do not remove this cover. At the back there are some words here as well, in which I am going to read it for you. It says microwave and high voltage inside. Be sure not to remove this enclosure. This device is to be serviced only by properly qualified service personnel. Disconnect power plugs before servicing. So as I said, we need to test the fuse inside, and I am going to remove this here. So this is the fuse here, and the exterior of it is looking pretty good from what I can see. And I am going to use the meter here, and going to be using this setting right here to test fuse. And if you hear that song, the fuse is good. The fuse is good. So let's open the microwave. Bear in mind that we have to be careful for high voltage discharge. So now that all the screws are removed, I am going to go ahead and I am going to take off and here we can have a look at the microwave inside. Here we can see the other fuse right here, and we need to test that fuse. So you can see the fuse right there. We are going to test it though. These things can cause people to throw away their microwave. I am going to test it right now. The best thing for me to do is to remove the fuse first and then test it. So I'm going to remove the fuse from there. So I just removed the fuse. I am going to test it now. If you hear a beeping song, well, the fuse is good. If not, it's not. So we have a bad fuse, and it's just for us to replace the fuse and everything should be good. So I hope that this video helped you in diagnosing your microwave. If in that case your fuse are good, there can be some sort of other problem that may occur with your microwave. I'm Lens. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more tech tips. I'm out.